How to create a Windows 11 installation USB. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, download Rufus and the Windows 11 ISO. You can open a browser and search for rufus.com. Then you will land on the result page where you need to click on the first link and you will land on the section. Scroll down and you can easily click on each of the link and download one. Once you are done with that, you need to make sure to insert USB drive which must be at least of 8 GB. And now you need to select USB drive and ISO. You can choose GPT or MBR for older system and set the label. After that, you need to simply enable remove Windows 11 requirements. Optionally, remove Microsoft account, skip user setup, set reason and disable data collection or encryption. You can click Start and confirm USB data erasure. Wait 10 minutes for completion and use the USB to install or repair Windows 11. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.